Hi guys, today is Thursday, September 10th, and I want to go over your activities for today. So the first thing that you're going to do is a daily journal. So remember, these do not get graded. So you can put this in Notability with your other journals, or you can put it in your paper journal if you're keeping it on paper at home, okay? So your journal is actually a free journal today. So what does a free journal mean? It means that you basically get to choose what you want to write about. So in Canvas, it says free daily journal. And I'm looking down here because I'm reading it directly from Canvas. It says this is a free journal. You can create an original story, so that means anything that you want to make up on your own, a drawing, a journal sequel, so you can do a continuation of a journal that you've already written before, a Mad Lib, which is, as you may know, where you fill in like nouns, verbs, etc., and maybe get somebody at your house to fill it in, or even somebody else that you know. Pick your own adventure or pick your path, a comic strip, illustration, riddles, a quiz, etc. Try to fill up an entire page. Keep it in Notability or your paper journal. This does not need to be submitted to Canvas. So if you come up with your own idea, you don't have to ask me, okay? These are just examples. Any type of thing that you can think of that is writing down on paper or Notability is acceptable to me, okay? So this is kind of like a free thinking activity where you just write any type of thing that you can think of where your hand is moving and you are writing and getting out your feelings, thoughts, ideas, and it can be drawing or it can be written words or a combination of both, okay? So this is usually the journal that everybody likes the best because you get a lot of freedom with this one. And we will do this type of journal every 3 weeks or so. So that's your first thing that you have to do for today. Second thing you're doing is another common assessment, the thing that we did in Edgelastic on Tuesday. Normally we would not do this twice in 1 week, but because Edgelastic was broken earlier in the school year, we have to do 2 of them this week. Normally we will do 1 per week, okay? So you need to get into Edgelastic through Clever, just like you did on Tuesday, and you're going to have an assignment from me. It'll be the same thing. It'll say Hume 5 or Hume 6. There will only be one of them available that will say start assignment that you can have for me. And it will say, there will be 3 multiple choice questions, just like last time, and 1 where you have to write a paragraph answer at the end, just like the other one that you did. Almost every single one will be formatted the exact same way. And I will always only have 1 available at a time for you to answer, okay? So you won't have multiple ones to choose from. There's only going to be 1 that you can even pick from, okay? So next, you're going to have a little bit of reading in our class novels. So for Matilda, you're going to read pages 159 to 192. So that's for our 5th grade class. And then for the 6th graders, you guys are going to read chapters 11 and 12 in Gathering Blue. Okay, so we're starting to get towards the end of these novels. I know Gathering Blue, it seems like we're about halfway there, but we'll pick it up a little bit towards the end. The chapters get a little bit shorter, and we'll probably be finishing both these novels within the next 2 weeks, okay? Tomorrow, we are gonna start on projects. You might see them in Canvas in social studies. 1 is a landform project for 5th grade. 1 is a mapping, a world mapping project for 6th grade. Do not start anything on these projects. I have not given you any instructions on what you're supposed to do. I am going to make a video, just like I am now, on what you're supposed to do, okay? So please do not start doing anything for those projects, okay? Because it does need some of the materials that I gave you, and I don't want you guys to just guess on what you're supposed to do. I never make you just guess on projects. I always give you very thorough instructions. So do not do anything yet for those projects, okay? Don't start skipping ahead, please, because I don't want you to use any of the stuff I gave you when you're not supposed to, and then you use the wrong thing in the wrong place, okay? So Just do the activities as I give them to you, and wait on that until Friday, okay? So 3 things for today: the journal, the common assessment, which is the assignment in Edgelastic, and then the reading in your class novel. I will see you guys tomorrow.